and we will be going through a motivational warm-up that will get you warmed up, ready for any type of fitness that you might be taking on or any type of sport that you might be going into. So, we're going to be repeating each movement 10 times. I want you to follow me as we go along. Are you ready? Are you steady? Here we go. Starting off with the arms. We're going to be starting off with some punches in the air. Okay? Are we ready? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Okay, we're going to move on to moving up some of the legs now. So what we're going to be doing is kicking the leg up and seeing if we can get the knee as high as we can for 10 times. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is pretending that we're in the water and we're swimming. So I want you to face sideways and pretend you're going to be swimming for 10 movements. Are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Okay, now we're going to go warming up the back of our legs, the hamstrings. Right, so kicking up to the bottom as much as we can. Here we go, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, well done everybody. Okay, right now, we are going to go back to the arms and I'm going to get your shoulders out like this here. And we're going to be reaching out as far as we can, okay? Are we ready? Are we steady? 3, 2, 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, everybody. Okay. Right, now we're going to move back on to the legs. And we are going to be pretending as if we're jumping over a small wall. So from side to side. Are we ready? 10 times. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Right, we have one more exercise to warm up our arms. Okay? Now this time, I want you to pretend as if you're climbing a ladder. Climbing the ladder right to the top and then climbing back down. 10 times. So 10 going up and 10 going down. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent job. Right, we're going to do one last exercise for our legs. And this is going to be what I call the side kick. Okay, side kick warm up. Are you ready? 10 of them. Reach side. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Wow. You are now fully warmed up for any kind of fitness or exercise that you might be going into, or any type of sport that you might be starting. It's always important to make sure that you warm up and warm down for any physical activity. So don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video if you found this motivational warm-up useful. My name is Courtney Orange and I hope to see you on the next video.